This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services RW Towne Realty property video is presented by David Kakis. Charming Cape Cod style updated home with covered front porch near the beach. This open floor plan boasts upgraded stainless appliances, quartz countertops and luxury vinyl floors. Dining area off kitchen is open to the kitchen and great room. Primary bedroom ensuite bathroom with double sinks and quartz countertops. Hall bathroom with quartz countertops. Neutral colors throughout. 2-zoned heating and air. Good-sized backyard with mature fruit trees and fully fenced. Home is located in flood zone X. Flood insurance is not required. Home is located in a great beach community and also centrally located to bases, shopping and interstates. Welcome home to your year-round vacation home. For more information, review the details below or contact David Kakis at 757-675-5923.